Hey everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to Q Automation classes. We are continuing with our session on the Git IntelliJ integration. So in last session, we have seen how to develop the code locally, and after the development is done, how to push those changes to the remote repository, right? We have to create an account in the GitHub and then we have to push the code into the remote repository. That's how we see. But now consider the case, suppose you are joining into the organization and you have to import a project that is already there in the remote and you have to start working on it. Okay, whenever you have to develop everything from the scratch, you go and create the project from the scratch in your local and then push to the remote. But what happens when you already have some project that is already been created and it is already there in the remote repository? So you went to the organization and you started to working on some project, so you will get that URL, right? So remote repository URL. How will you do that setup in your machine? So the same code base whatever we have pushed, right? So we'll try to do that. Okay, we'll try to get it from the remote. So let's do one thing, let's delete it from here first. Okay, so if I say I get click on delete. Okay, so from the project no files will be deleted. Okay, so just now I'm removing from the here. Okay, and then and if I go here, where is the location? Let's go to the location. C drive first we have to go. So now let's go to C drive, personal, workspaces, IntelliJ. This is the project I have, right? So let me delete this one also. So this one is deleted. So now I don't have the local copy of the project that we have developed. Since I have already pushed the code to my repository, I can fetch all those information from this remote repository. How to do that? Okay, so now if you see, everything is, nothing is here. I'll just close the IntelliJ also. We'll open it one more time. So let's open IntelliJ. Right, so it's showing it is not there, right? It's not present, so I can close this one, remove from the quick access. So now I have to, now my target is to not to create a new project from the scratch. I have to import the existing project, so I can say get from VCS, right? And repository URL version control is get, and GitHub, yeah, I can give here also. Okay, so let's go and see the repository URL, from where you will get the repository URL. So click on your repository, get IntelliJ IDEA integration. So now you can see there is something called as code. If you click on this one, you'll see HTTPS, SSH and GitHub CLI. So go to HTTPS. In Windows we can go with HTTPS. Click on this URL. Now let's go to the remote, go to the IntelliJ, and here you specify your repository. Okay, and now which folder it has to be saved? So C personal workspace IntelliJ and Git IntelliJ IDEA integration. If you go and see, from here only we have deleted, right? We have deleted that project, it is not there now. So I'm saying, okay, you go and import to that folder. So now we'll go and say clone. Okay, so cloning repository, if you see, it is trying to pull those information, the entire project information from the remote, and it is pulling to our local. Okay, so now if you see, scanning for the index, okay, it will try importing all those things. Let it finish everything. Okay, so this is done. So now let's go and see, this is main. If you open the main, we have all those 4 commits are present over here, right? And if you see who's the user, Smoothie Estate is the user. Okay, and if you want to see the commits, go to the Git and we can see all those commits, also related information also here. And I can show you in the remote repository also where to see the commits. If you go here, so go to the code. Okay, here you can see, right, 4 commits are there, right? So if you open on that one, click on that one, you can see first commit, second commit, third commit and fourth commit, and these are nothing but the commit ID or commit details. If you click on that one, you will see the entire detail of that particular commit. Okay, so right, this is the main file and this is our XML file, right, and that commit these things came, right. So similarly we can go and we can see the details about the each commit through that commit. If you click on that one, you can see all those commits over here, right, and these commits are all done on the master branch. We have only one branch till now, the master branch. So now let's go and see what is the changes in here. Okay, so always add. So now if you see earlier, okay, if you have seen earlier, we had only local master, right, local and master was there because we were working on the local repository. We didn't have set up the remote repository, but now we already set up the remote repository, right. And if you see in the remote repository, we have the master. Okay, this is your remote master, right. So this is nothing but your remote projects master, right. And similarly, if you see here, your local master is also there. If you see here, so local master, remote also master will be there. See, remote also master is there. Okay, so as of now we have two branches, one in the remote, that remote master is there, and in the local we have the local master. Okay, and yeah, that's all to this session, guys. So this is how you exactly will import when you go to a different organization or join a new organization or join a new project and you have to work on the existing project. You have to import it to your local and then you have to start working on it. Okay, hope it is clear, guys. If you guys are liking the content, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with so many new topics and exciting videos. Okay, so yeah, this is all for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.